Who has more viewers, Netflix or YouTube? Obviously both popular services there, but answer might surprise you. Netflix just recently reported their earnings per share jumped 47%, and their share of US viewers held steady at 8.3%. If you guessed Netflix has more people from the US watching them than YouTube, you'd be incorrect. YouTube's share of US viewers came in at 12.8%, which was nearly a 33% increase from 9.9% last year. YouTube also has substantially higher revenue of $58 billion compared to the recent $39 billion in revenue at Netflix. People are excited about the revenue growth at Netflix as it is projected to climb 15% to $45 billion in 2025, but that pales in comparison to YouTube's expected revenue jump of nearly 21% to $70 billion. Netflix also has a higher cost for content expenses as 52% of total expenses were for content in the second quarter. YouTube has much lower expenses because most of the creation expense is carried by the creators of that content. While this has been a positive for YouTube in the past, it could cause some problems in the future as their content creators could be stolen from them by others, including Netflix. As an example, Miss Rachel, who is a children's entertainer with a very popular YouTube channel, now has a Netflix show that saw 53 million hours of viewing in the first half of 2025. With Netflix owning their content cannot be taken away from them, like we may see with YouTube. A wild card that is still out there for controlling US viewers' time is TikTok, which is currently in limbo, but could be a major disruptor in the entertainment space since younger audiences seem to enjoy the short videos versus longer TV shows and even movies to some degree. Apparently, younger viewers have a very short attention span, and TikTok is capitalizing on that opportunity and maybe even making that problem worse. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.